well, Leslie here from My-Island-Jamaica.com. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm actually in at Chukka. We're doing a Chukka Adventure tour near Ocho Rios. It's fantastic. We're actually in the middle of it. I'm going to share some of that. I want to share some of the highlights with you. If you've not yet subscribed to my channel though, remember to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell notification. I do a lot of videos capturing what I call a real Jamaican. I don't want you to miss any of that. So hit that subscribe button, tap the bell notification. That way you see updated on all my latest videos. This is the Chukka Adventure. Enjoy. Alright, so these horses have name, guys. Mine is called Rhino. What's the name of your horse again?
Mine's Cherokee.
What is it?
Cherokee.
Cherokee, the white one?
Yes.
And Spice, that one?
And there one's Rhino.
And some...
Up front they got Kartel.
Kartel.
And then up front is Crips.
Crips. all Jamaican artiste name. Nice, nice, nice. Alright guys, we're gonna go in the water. Oh my god, in the sea. Alright.
That's why.
Alright, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up.
Yeah, look over to the look over left. Yeah. The way you see those shiny poles. Yeah. That's all the way to the top and over you find 9 miles. Now they say Slim Shady's from 8 miles, just a mile short. That's me, I'm Slim Shady. Stop it. Come on, it's not done yet. Watch me whip. Watch me lady. Watch me lady.
Alright guys, we're going in the ocean now. My horse is a Rhino. And that's the ATV guys here. Wow.
Time for the birthday chick. Time for the birthday chick.
Woo woo!
Stop it, your birthday.
Hey guys, having fun at the horseback riding here, guys. The Chukka. Yeah, my friend. What's that?
So when we speak English,
Yeah.
like, is it hard
No,
for you to understand
no,
some of the words we say?
No, it's easy to understand.
Is it?
Yeah.
Because like when you guys talk English,
Yeah.
like we understand it, but your accent is so like different. Awesome. He caught him. He caught the crocodile. We tossed him over there.
That feels good.
Yeah, it does feel good. Oh, wow.
Guys, don't worry. This is not the swim, yeah? Come on, stay on the horse. Don't jump off. You're safe on top of the horse.
Hi guys, and I'm actually here with Dan and Samantha. It's Samantha's birthday and they're in Jamaica. That's Samantha, that's Dan. How is it going, man?
It's amazing. Amazing.
That doesn't sound super great, Sam. Yeah, but we're having a warm time, having a great time, guys, here at Chukka. Loving it, loving it, loving it.
Okay.
Shut it on. Rhino.
Right.
No, you don't get that one. Fireball.
Okay.
Nice try. Nice try. Nice try.
Okay.
Next time. You get Jamaican jet ski.
Alright, so the horse part done at the jet ski part.
Jet ski time now.
Alright.
Father, we alright. Freestyle! That's how we do it here, yeah?
Wow, wow, man. That's highlights, guys, of the Chukka Adventure, the horseback riding. I hope you like it. I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment down below, man. It's Dan's and Samantha's first visit to Jamaica, and so I was so excited to accompany them. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, though, make sure you hit that subscribe button and tap the bell notification. That way, you stay updated on all my latest videos. This is indeed the real Jamaica.